What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a quick one just to make this more aware. So quick and easy, I'm able to program my own keys for my TL. So the 04 through 06 Acura TLs do not come with the Switchblade keys with the built-in remote, but I'm able to get an alternative for a lot cheaper price, and I didn't have to go to the dealer at all. Let me show you guys real quick. So we're inside the car and I already have the Switchblade key right here with the built-in remote. Got my key cut already and already programmed this remote to my car. And let's check it out and watch what happens when I stick the key in. Just to confirm, it's in there. And look at the immobilizer light, it's off because it's already programmed. And yep, it starts up. That's sick, right? And here are my old set of keys. This remote works, this remote works, this key works, and this key still works. Every single one of these remotes and keys still work, and all I did was add this. That's so sick. Now I know this isn't a budget mod, but it is a lot cheaper than going to the dealer to get a new key and get it programmed. Like this is 40 bucks. The OBD2 Bluetooth device is about 60. On top of that, you had to spend $20 for the license to program the key. But you can cheap out a little bit more if you want to go to eBay or Amazon, get this for about 10 bucks and a key for 10 bucks if you guys want to cheap out just a little bit more. But like I said, it is a lot cheaper than going to the dealer. So if you do only have one key, I really suggest going this route. At least this way it's really easy and it's a lot cheaper than going to the dealer to get a new set of keys. Big shout outs to Mods Forever on YouTube. He's the one that did the full tutorial. I'm going to leave a link for it down in the description box below. Go subscribe to him if you haven't. He does make a lot of accurate content. I love his videos because it's straight raw and to the point. That about wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.